$4 million. We should take that money. It'll be easy. Just a couple old people.
We have a church where we treat men and women troubled, such as you.
You're gonna be okay.
It's a new day, boy.
Let's stay the plan.
They left last night. They're on their way.
It's not like we're hurting them. We just get them out of the picture for a little while.
I am going to kill you, motherfucker. I am the pale horse of death, and hell follows me, boy.
He just killed a 24-year-old kid with his shoe.
This is getting out of control.
Get the fucking crazy old man.
Where you going, boys? Get the rhythm, get the rhythm. There you go, there you fucking go. Get the rhythm, there you go, there you fucking go. Get the rhythm.